Welcome back. Episode number 2 of San Pedro. I'm here at the San Pedro Bird Rescue Facility. This is where I used to drop birds off. Injured birds, from oil, birds with broken wings, birds that have been damaged by whatnot. Sometimes you'd find birds with, there just seem to be too many birds. Oh, there's some ducks inside. And this serves the South Bay, and wow, no sick birds. Very good. You hate to see sick birds. And this is where they bring them. There's a little duck. Today's December 17th. Today in 1903, the Wright brothers flew the first airplane, if you can call it that. They called it. And it was 120 feet, 36.6 meters in 12 seconds. Orville and Wilbur. I guess they retired those names. They don't use those names anymore. Here's some big birds here that maybe got some oil on them. A seagull, looks like a white pelican. That's kind of rare. Another pelican. And a Greek, a gerb. And they're getting rehabbed. Oh, there's another pelican in the back. And they're gonna look at the wingspan on those. I used to have to pick these up when they were injured. If you saw these pelicans over at the mall, you knew they were sick. You knew something was wrong. And this is what they do here. They're volunteers. They're very conscientious. And we'd bring the birds in, and they would get rehabbed. Doesn't look like they have too many patients, which is a good thing. The birds are healthy. From time to time, they have different biological issues, health issues, and sometimes you can get quite a number of sick birds for various reasons, medical reasons. And of course, your oil spill. So that's the bird sanctuary holding facility and treatment center. And inside they have all sorts of places to fix the birds. This is where I would bring the birds, and they would take the birds from me and examine them and get them treatment as quickly as possible. So it was a good thing. So that's it. Now, right across the street from this facility, and that's the bird rescue facility. And right across the street is the facility where they rescue sea lions and I guess walruses and the other type of marine life that sometimes can get into some real. I gotta put my mask on. Hold on. Bring my mask. Yep. And these are some of the animals that they care for. California sea lion, elephant seals, harbor seals, and fur seals. Welcome to the Marine Mammal Care Center. You're about to enter our wildlife viewing area, where the marine mammal patients in our care are recovering from various illness and injuries. Due to the sensitive nature of this animal hospital environment, we ask that you abide by the following rules. Here's some more rules for you. Remain quiet while viewing the animals. Do not throw or kick any type of object into the animal enclosure area. Patients observe all posted signs. Respect our native living landscape. Supervise proper behavior of children in the group for your safety, no running or skateboarding. No pets are allowed in the viewing area. No smoking is allowed on the property. So there you go. And these people do a great job. Here they're being released after being rehabbed. They can't wait to get back into their normal environment. And here they are. So, yeah, you don't hear too many people with the name Orville and Wilbur anymore. I guess they discontinued those names. They're just doing a body float right there. A whole bunch over there. And so that was 1903 in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. The first flight. In 1892, the first issue of Vogue magazine was released. If you can believe that. Vogue magazine, the famous Vogue magazine. 1892. Very nice. In 1989, the first Simpson episode, it was a Christmas special, and then it went on to become a weekly series, The Simpsons, and it's been on, I guess, ever since. And America is definitely hooked on cartoons. These are northern fur seals. In 2010, that street vendor from Tunisia set himself on fire, and he's taking a little rest. Can you see him? And that started the Arab Spring. He got sick and tired of policies telling him what to do. And he died a short time later from his wounds, from his burns. And it started the Arab Spring, where people in countries such as that decided that they wanted a little bit more freedom. So there you have it. And in 2014, the United States and Cuba reestablished diplomatic ties, but I think that's been since overturned, and it's no longer in effect. America's foreign policy is truly a train wreck. I don't think anybody would disagree. No matter what your politics, America can't seem to just get along. America, I guess, sanctions and war are the first answer, the first box they check: sanctions and conflict. But what are you gonna do? So I wanted you to come to the front of the building so you could actually see where you are. Los Angeles Oiled Bird Care, an education center managed by International Bird Rescue Research Center. So there you have it. Very good. About 10 minutes. I think I'll close it. And again, this will be, the title of this will be Brian Holtzman Rings the Bell. I guess I should put San Pedro someplace in the description. And so these are the items of interest for December 17th. 1903, the Wright brothers take flight for the first time in the history of the planet. 120 feet, 36.6 meters in 12 seconds. Orville and Wilbur Wright, the Wright brothers. Congratulations, 1903. Talk about good mechanics. 1892, the first issue of Vogue magazine. 1892, holy cow. 1989, The Simpsons aired their first episode. It was a Christmas special, then went on to become a popular weekly television show that I think is continuing as I speak. 2010, the Arab Spring started with the vendor Mohammed Bouazizi, Bouazizi, set himself on fire, died a short time later, and what started the Arab Spring in Tunisia. And in 2014, U.S. and the United States, U.S. and Cuba re-established diplomatic ties. That was later, I think, it was undone. And just an example of the United States' foreign policy is based on politics and ego. And it changes every 5 minutes, whichever way the wind blows. And they just tell us, mind your business. You don't understand geopolitical politics. Mind your business. You don't know what you're saying. You don't know what you're doing. Let us handle the foreign policy. We are the experts. Okay. I'm going to let it go at that. There's a nice shot of the dumpsters. See, in California, you have to have almost 17 different kind of dumpsters for every kind of trash you might have. And that's the way it goes. All right.